how to update your Google Play Store application. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Google Play application. So on your Android phone, open the Google Play application right here. So tap on your profile icon or your name icon at the top right here. So I'm going to tap here, and here you're going to select settings. So when you select settings, choose about. When you toggle the about, select update Play Store. So if your Play Store is not up to date, it will start updating automatically. But if your Play Store is up to date, you are going to get this message: Google Play Store is up to date. So you're just going to tap on understood or I get, depending on what is shown to you. So guys, if this video helped you, please kindly give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel so I'll catch you in my next video.